Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
I have a special guest. Say hi.
Say hi. What's your name? What's your name?
Diksha. Okay, guess.
Guess where we are.
Oh God.
Okay, so
We are on a temple run
yes, we are
in Coorg.
in Coorg, and this is my second time. And what was the thing that happened? Okay, it's called Chaundi Tere. We'll add the clips as well.
We visited
So stay tuned.
Now we have come to Bhagavathi temple.
Yes, here it is.
Show off Akka also. We have another guest. Stay tuned. I
Yes.
don't think we can
Vlog inside. So
we
stay
can.
tuned.
We can.
ಅಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Anna, say hi to the vlog.
ಓಕೆ ಡ್ಯಾನಿಯಲ್ಲ
Ice cream time. How's ice cream? It's good. Good. How's it? It's apparently her first time eating. So.
Wait a minute.
So. This one, especially this one. How is it? Deepthi?
It's like
The normal. So the speciality of this thing is ice cream. So whoever you see will be eating an ice cream, and also we'll get some toys for ourselves, just so that we.
you only need a toy.
Yeah, why not? You don't want a memory from here? So memory is a toy. Okay, so probably we can buy each other some toy, and we can go to different stores side by. See, she wants to die, guys. Yeah, so this is the view. Full confidence.
From morning she was annoying.
She has something to say.
Yeah, from morning she was annoying the shit out of us. I don't know why.
Very blunder, guys. See, the kid is also like, what are these three grown up?
They're ruining our vibe.
She just left us.
She just left and she's
She's like, I don't want anything to do with them. See this dude. See, they've played cards and all and thrown. All people like Jayappa only. So that's that. So cheers. Be jealous of us. Okay. Bye.
Chai.
Nothing to say.
Just taking your name.
Yeah. And I know it was a short notice for her also. For all of them especially. Because I also didn't know myself that I'll be coming. So
And our moms are not so cool, okay? Especially my mom. Mummy, if you're watching, thanks.
thanks, auntie. Thanks from our side also.
Me only informing.
Now we are taking a break, going home for a while, and my dad is like odaisifying the car.
Yeah, we are literally flying.
So yeah, and I don't know what we're gonna go home and do. Maybe eat some food, make some reels.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to make reels. Stay tuned for that now.
Yeah, and make sure you share our reels also, guys. We need views.
Exactly.
So that we can, do giveaways, we can give stuff to you.
And we can also go on trips.
Yeah, and more content for you. Help us out, guys. So this is like big magnik tarika thoda bahut casual hai.
ವಾಹ್ ದೀದಿ
Okay guys, hairstyle change.
Mine is same, okay.
Yeah.
Now I regret. I should have straightened it.
When I
It's okay.
changed. So the thing is, we
have no
ate. Yeah, we don't have any network, so we thought we'll do some reels, which is not working. Maybe when we go there to the festival area. When we get network, we'll try to like screen record something and keep. And when we come back again, we'll make some reel. That was an instant idea I got.
Yeah,
We'll see.
I was about to tell you.
Or we can just
download the reels.
yeah.
That also we can.
So we'll figure it out. And we just ate, despite we were full. We still had to eat. Sorry, we forgot to show what we ate because we are bakasuras like that. Even though we are full. Yeah, and now we have just come for strolling around just so that whatever we ate digests. So this is what our view is. That is Raju there going. Tell hi to him. Comment down. Raju, hi.
Raju's holding cup.
I don't
If
know.
you don't
maybe-
comment,
Yeah.
you can see what.
He might get lost if you don't get if you don't call.
ನಾನು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನೇನಯ್ಯ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ
Comment. Papa, why are we telling all of this to him?
Raju, Elidyappa.
See, there's a cow there. You can name that cow because I don't know what the name of the cow is. I know he or she is already named, but yeah. So yeah, that's that. If we do anything else, we'll keep you guys
Updated.
See this hero going there.
What are we doing? We are resting right now.
And then we will go to the main terra that is happening. So it is of Chamundeshwari, and they tell that this god was pregnant when the things happened. So even in the like whatever thing there, my sister just got shy and ran. So we'll show you guys how they dress up also, so you guys also can get to see. And that's my cousin Danny. Anna, say hi to the vlog. Hi. We have a YouTube channel. Subscribe. You guys also subscribe. You also will watch us, no?
Come
You'll
here.
also be in the vlog. Come.
You subscribe.
Yeah.
You know what's our channel name?
What?
Unfiltered 4.
Unfiltered 4.
What do you think about the name?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Yes, yes. So
The fourth one, we have one more friend, okay?
so any fourth person can join.
And she always misses. So do you want to join?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she wants to join.
Yeah. So chai you're cancelled.
And this is the fourth person.
Yes.
Say hi.
Yeah. What is your name?
Oh, introduce yourself.
My name is Riksha and I'm from Daffodils.
Yeah.
Which standard are you in?
I'm in third.
What languages do you know?
I know Kurki and English.
So we'll show you guys the clips of all the festivities that is there. We'll get back to you guys. Yes. Stay tuned. Bye.
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 What's your channel?
So guys, we have reached the location. So she's also with us.
We are going for the main event now. So it's the Chamundi Terra. Chamundi Terra in short.
Sure. So that's the way. We have to go top there.
Let's
Go.
yeah.
As you guys can see, this is Chaunditara, who is known to be the reincarnation of Devi. It represents Chamundeshwari, and it signifies the glory over the evil, and she is known to be the protector of the land, and she fought with the asuras or the demons, and this is how the villagers celebrate her. And this year there was a lot of rain, due to which it was cut short. However, it is such a beautiful sight to watch her dance, and the longer one that is tied over here is also known to be very heavy, and the Chamundeshwari carries this and goes to the sacrificial area. And as you guys can see, we were just waiting for the rain to stop and figuring what to do next.
She finished with me last time. Hi. How is it being drenched? Being homeless. Say hi to the vlog.
This is Kuliyatara, also known as Guliga. He is worshipped for long life, protection from negative energies, and for justice. He is also known to be a prankster. That is his form of protection, I believe. And yeah, that is to also show that he is omnipresent and protecting the village, to protect the people of the village, the forest, and all the living beings. Okay guys, if you can see us, right?
Wait, I'll switch on the torch.
Okay, she's going to switch on the flash. Oh my god. Okay, so it's our my Dodappa or uncle's birthday today, which we all forgot. So to compensate, we are going to the city or the town area just so that we can surprise him with something. So yeah, we are going on a night drive. So stay tuned. We will, if possible, if we remember, we'll show you how we are doing the celebrations. So yes. Happy birthday to you. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, that's my dad calling my cousin. So, oh, I have a pimple here. Okay, never mind. Now we are playing Uno. We already finished a game. That's my dad. Tell hi, dad. So we are playing Uno now.
Uno flip.
Yeah, Uno flip. And the first game, Deepthi won. Okay, and I was the second winner, and he's the loser. Okay, now let's see what we have. And Raina is also here. So this is our next game. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Yay. It's the next day. So we have come for breakfast. So let's see what my granny made. This is kuti puttu, what we call in our language. So whoever calls whatever, you can comment down that below. And kadle curry. Yes, so this is our breakfast. So we're gonna eat.
And it is my first time having it.
Yes. And Chiku also is there. So,
And there's avocado as well.
Yeah.
A little rich. Butterfruit.
yeah.
It's avocado. We
So-
call it butterfruit. We
Yeah.
call it avocado.
What stupidity. Oh my god.
Okay, bye.
Morning, she's eating chocolate.
Such an unhealthy kid. Out of all three, it's only me who is healthy.
You know what? She just boasts and boasts and boasts.
Exactly. Today it's Today it's just me who has taken bath.
Guys, you're gonna sweat when you travel. So
After
it's better
going
to
home,
go home and
you can take shower and then go to bed. Such an
Again, I
bomb
will take.
sleep.
Bullshit, guys. She won't. She'll be like, "Ayo, ren sustagide, nan maltini."
sleep.
Yeah.
And yesterday and all, in here and all, we were sweating, and from Ade Mayali, they'll go.
First of all,
ear and all sweating means.
And even
Ade
your-
Mayali,
and even their underarms.
we have washed our face, everything.
Yeah, even if our underarms have also sweat, we would have worn clothes. Which clothes we have put for wash, and we wore different clothes.
different clothes, and then we are kind of freshened up only. We'll go and take proper baths at home.
Guys, she's just.
Too much she shows that she's hygiene, but
Okay, guys, we are going back. Tell hi, mom. Hi. We are going back to Bangalore.
enjoying the nature.
Yes, that's the view. Maybe I'll do this. Oh, somebody's about to. Oh, she wants to do overacting us.
Boring.
Guys, we have stopped. Deepthi is here. She's here. We are eating Bale Porshadu. I know it's different in Malayalam. So, yeah, our tea is here. We've just parked here with the nature. We are eating. How's it, Harshi? Guys, Harshi's friend. Sure.
Not one, not two.
Yeah, see, it's everywhere.
What do you call group of monkeys?
Who knows? Our audience will let us know what is group of monkeys called as. See, there's one over there also. Illi sound kunjinadtanduttalli.
Ali no tat.
Hello guys, welcome back. So we came for our lunch and we are at Fishland, Pujari's, whatever you can see. Yeah, and
It's only me in this non-veg place eating veg.
yeah,
Just missing it out, guys.
yes, and it's a Sunday, mind you.
Exactly. My mom told not to eat. Such a good child. I'm not eating.
Auntie, she respects you, auntie.
Only for you.
Yeah, so this is what our view is. And there's some cows, ox, I think, here. Why do they have this? Show, I think. And this is our other view.
If we remember, we'll show you what the food looks like.
But if we get tempted by the food, we might just end up eating. So stay tuned. Yeah, so you're on the way back. I think that is it for the vlog. If anything in between, we'll add in the clips before this. Yeah, I think they should be able to hear. So that's it, and hope you enjoyed the vlog. And let us know in the comments how unique you felt this vlog was, or how dumb it felt. So whatever it is, let us know in the comments down. Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. See you on the next one.